Hello, welcome back to the craft room and welcome to the channel. Today's video is a shorter one, and it's concerning a project I did recently that I advertised on my Facebook page, and I'll put a link in the description to my Facebook page so you can have a look what we're talking about. But anyway, I was making a shirt for my mum and I put up a picture of the joining I used, and a lot of people were interested in how that is done. So I thought, I've got a couple of blocks, I can make a video. So we will do that. I'll go across to the close camera and show you. Right, so there's the blocks I have. Now, first of all, because you're going to want to know, these blocks are from the Granny Square Challenge by the Loopy Stitch, and I will put a link in the description for that. This one was the Facebook block, this one was the Instagram block. So they both have the last row the same amount of stitches, which is helpful if you're doing this join, which is the slip stitch in the back loop join. Now I'm going to be joining this row here. I'm going to use a contrasting yarn. First of all, you want to make a slip knot in that and put it on your hook. Now it is a little bit difficult to get started, but once you're started you will be fine. So first thing you want to do is there is 2 stitches, well there's actually 3, there's another one in the middle. We want the back loop of the top stitch. So if I show you on this one you can see it a bit better. There is 2 stitches in each corner. We want the top stitch, and then you want to get, this is with my thread underneath, the other one on the corresponding side. So there's the 2 stitches, and we want top one, the back loop of it. So that's what you should have on your hook. This is from this one, that's from that one. Pick up a loop, and then you want to pull it through them both, and then also pull through the one on your hook. You want to repeat doing that, but what you want to do is you want to make sure you have the same sequence. It is a little bit awkward to get started. Pick up your loop from underneath, through that one, and through that one. And you should be able to see there's the beginning of our join. Once you've got a few on, it holds itself a bit better. Pull that through, and that through. Come a little bit higher in case you can't see. So we only have 1 loop on the hook. Always go in the same order. So if you start at the top, always start at the top. Because if you keep swapping, they become bumpy. They won't be a nice smooth join. And like that. And so your slip stitches are sitting in the middle. You've got the front loop of both sides like echoing it or bordering it, and it gives you a very smooth join. I'll pull that a bit longer so you can see the back, and that is what the back looks like. Very, very flat. So there's no big ridge to be in your way or anything. When you get to the end, you stop on the first stitch at the end. If you're making a big block blanket, you will join these together and then you'll make rows and join the big rows. And then you can use the other stitch because you're on the other side. And that is how we do the joining stitch for slip stitch in the back loop.